Perfume your house simply and cheaply. As well as maintaining a tidy and organized house, it's also important to perfume your house. This way, you can make your home more comfortable for you, your family and your guests by maintaining a pleasant smell. If you fill your enclosed spaces and common areas like the kitchen, bathroom and bedrooms with delicious aromas, it will be easier to avoid common bad odors. In this article, we are going to give you a list of natural air fresheners that are cheap and simple. You'll have no excuse not to maintain your home with a comfortable smell. Clove and orange air freshener. This is one of the most common and effective air fresheners that you can use. The citrus of the orange together with a strong scent of cloves impregnate the room with a cozy, sweet and fresh smell. The cloves will also help the orange to remain fresh for longer. How to make it? You only need one orange with its peel and a handful of cloves. The more cloves, the stronger the smell will be. Stick the cloves into the orange peel. It is best to choose a soft orange so that the cloves go through the peel easily. Order for this air freshener to also be part of the decoration of the room. You can play with shapes or add details like ribbons to the fruit, or put little stones or rose petals around it. Place it in the center of the table, in the kitchen, or hang it in the wardrobe to prevent bad odors. Lavender air freshener. As well as having a good aroma, lavender is also used to support sleep and calmness. It fights insomnia, headaches, depression and stress. If you have any of these problems, this air freshener is the best one for you. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 10 grams. 5 lavender flowers. Water, as much as necessary. Utensils: 1 jar with a metal lid. How to make it? Put the lavender flowers in the jar. Add the tablespoon of baking soda and stir. With the help of a knife or something sharp, make little holes in the metal lid. Put it on your nightstand and you will enjoy the benefits of this wonderful plant as well as decorating your room. Dried flowers. It's time for you to go out for a short stroll in the countryside and collect some flowers and herbs that you like. Rose petals, rosemary and eucalyptus emanate ideal scents for making a natural air freshener. How to make it? Keep the flowers and aromatic herbs in a glass jar with a lid for a week. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to strengthen the aroma. Cover again and leave for a few days for the aromas to concentrate. Place it in the bathroom or the living room and take off the lid for short periods to give the room an aromatherapy bath. Orange and cinnamon. As with cloves, the citrus scent of the orange makes a perfect pair with the fragrance of cinnamon. Ingredients: 1 orange, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 15 grams, 1 tablespoon of star anise, 15 grams, water, as much as you need. How to make it. Put the orange cut up into slices into a glass jar. Add the cinnamon, cloves and star anise. Add a little water until the oranges and spices are covered. Cover the jar and leave it for a few days for the aromas to concentrate. Take off the lid and perfume your home. Vanilla air freshener. Vanilla is one of the most commonly used fragrances for all kinds of perfumes and air fresheners. It has calming properties and reduces anxiety and stress levels. For this reason, we recommend you put this natural air freshener in your bedroom. It will help you get better rest and relaxation after the tasks and situations of day-to-day life. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 3 sprigs of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 15 grams, water, as needed. How to make it. Put the lemon cut up into slices in a glass jar. Add the sprigs of rosemary and the vanilla extract. To finish, fill with water until the jar is full to the brim. As you can see, making scent baths for your home, as well as creating a clean ambience, also brings other benefits, especially for your mental and emotional health.